Hello, and welcome to the show. Could you give us a sense of what is currently the situation of renewable energy in Germany, specifically with respect to wind?
Yes, the situation for renewables in Germany is a pretty bright one. We see a bright future for installations as we approach the 2030 targets. Germany has pledged for 65% renewables in electricity by 2030, and all the different electricity sources that are renewable: solar, onshore wind, offshore wind, but also biomass and others, and they are going to be needed in a good mix. Yes.
As a wind energy association, what are your uh, what is the objective of the association at the moment, and what are the primary goals set for the association in the near future?
Yeah, we represent the German wind energy industry, and our aim obviously is to increase the share of wind in overall electricity. That's what we lobby for. That's what we talk to the government in understanding the needs of the industry. Our main problem at the moment is that we see a 90% reduction in permitting. The duration for permits for onshore wind have increased dramatically. So they used to be 1 year in the past, and we see permitting procedures of 4 years on average, which means that some of the projects will even take longer than 4 years just to receive the permit. This is due to a lot of regulatory complications, and we want to overcome those.
How important is wind in the overall energy basket of Germany?
Wind is the strongest renewable player in Germany. We have a share of 50% within the different renewables, and for the whole electricity production in Germany, the share is over 20%. And as I said, it should be growing within the next years.
And what are the major challenges that are confronted by the sector at the moment, and how, as an association, you are planning to address it so that the government and the country can achieve the climate targets of 2030?
Yeah, we see to a certain amount, we see a pushback from different parties because the change or the transformation of the energy system is going pretty fast. Germany is planning to phase out from nuclear within the next years up to 2022, and then we will see a phase out from lignite as well until 2038, maybe even faster than that. And this is obviously a big transformation for an industry and for a country. This affects different locations, different regions, and also a lot of jobs. And it's always hard to have this conversation with politicians, but for us it's really clear that we need to overcome these discussions and move forward towards a all renewable, 100% renewable world.
Since the pace of growth in the wind sector is not that good at the moment, and you can say that there are not many domestic opportunities at the moment for some of the wind operators. So, do you think they will start venturing out of the country and seeing for the international market?
That's a trend we will see in a way. Yes, the German market is about to recover. That's our objective also as an association, to make sure that it will recover. But we've seen the German market being like a large share of the international portfolio. Nowadays, this is changing, and it's actually a positive change, because what we see is Germany is not alone with its energy transition, but this transition Germany has been pioneering for it and has become a model for the rest of the world. We see really high installation targets in China, in India, in South America, and other countries. And therefore, the shares, they're changing a little bit, and we will see a lot of companies going international. Yes.
How do you see some of these Asian countries, specifically India, leapfrogging in the renewable energy space? Um,
Yeah, we're hoping for strong installation numbers in India. I think the goals that the government has claimed are quite remarkable. they are actually astonishing to us because we've seen a lot of installation in the past years, but still Germany being a smaller country than India, this is quite a massive challenge that you face there in installing these large numbers. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Christoph, for talking to us. It was a wonderful time with you. Thank you.
It was a pleasure, and greetings to India.
Thank you so much.